Welcome to the Lippert Technical Institute, your premier destination for comprehensive RV education. We are dedicated to continuously updating our content and refining our resources to provide you with the latest RV insights. Our mission is to help you expand and enhance your understanding of RVs. Let's delve into the key takeaways from our educational content over the past month. Our first update from the Virtual Productions Department can be found on the Lippert Technical Institute channel. The video, How to Update Your RV Lighting, showcases an easy electrical update that can be tackled with a few basic tools, transforming and brightening any camping trip. The second video highlight comes from the Lippert YouTube channel. The Technical Institute produced a series of videos covering the error codes for the Girard tankless water heater. Each video addresses a specific error code, detailing the affected components, and providing solutions to clear the code. These videos are designed to save technicians time and get RV owners back to enjoying their adventures.
Today, I want to highlight new additions on the support section of Lippert's website, lci1.com. Technical Publications has been working for the past 2 years to bring all of our quality brands under the Lippert website for ease of customer use. Our latest additions are Shade Luma and Marine Trailer Performance under the Marine section. Under that section, they join TaylorMade and Lippert Marine brands. While Marine is the latest section to be updated, we also have Furrion and Girard's fantastic line of appliances under one digital roof. Check out these sections by going to lci1.com and clicking on support and support documentation.
Hello everyone, I'm so excited to share some of our upcoming in-person training opportunities with you all. If you are an RV technician looking for hands-on training, join us for a technician service school. These 2.5-day events, held at our facility in Mishawaka, Indiana, will provide you with in-depth information on Lippert's and other industry leaders' top products. We have sessions on October 8th through 10th and November 12th through 14th. These sessions are expected to fill up, so be sure to secure your spot today. If you can't visit us at our facility, check out our regional seminars. Join us in Minneapolis, Minnesota on October 15th through 17th or Mesa, Arizona on November 6th through 7th. These lecture-based events cover some of Lippert's most popular products with some parts and pieces for demonstration. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of the Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.